Hello friends, welcome in Ankita's Tech Tutorials. In today's class, we will learn how to make result with Mailmerge. स्कूल का रिजल्ट तैयार करना एक बहुत बड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है और बहुत बड़ा काम है। वो करने के लिए बहुत पेशेंटली वर्क करना चाहिए। जो मेरी एक्चुअल रिजल्ट की फाइल है वो है वर्ड फाइल और मेरे पास जो भी मार्क्स है वो मार्क्स है एक्सेल फाइल में। सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू मर्ज दिस एक्सेल मार्क्स इन वर्ड फाइल। तो तैयार हो जाओ रिजल्ट मेकिंग का सॉफ्टवेयर बनाने के लिए। फॉर दिस होल प्रोसेस वी रिक्वायर 3 documents. First one is a mark sheet that is in Excel, report card format, whichever Word file, and Mailmerge data that is the Excel file again. This is the blank format of my report card. Student information and marks. Term 1, Term 2 and co-scholastic subject marks. This whole information we will take from Excel file with the help of Mailmerge. Master data means personal information of student, roll number, GR number, then name of the child, language, total attendance, total working days. This is total attendance of term 2 and total working days of term 2. This all data is in the first tab and next all tabs for marks. This is subject wise periodic test 1 marks, then term 1, consolidated term 1, periodic test 2, after that term 2, consolidated term 2, and all subjects green sheets are here, and last is a average sheet. So we have to make this file very properly with all marks. This file is maintained by class teachers. They are writing exam wise marks here. Term 1 all marks we will get in consolidated term 1 file, subject wise. Merging file. We can't take data directly from this original file. So we have to copy this data in one separate file and then we can merge that with the Word. So that separate file name is merging data file. This is merging data file. This file's columns are same as report card file. I made this column colored to understand the marks easily. Start writing data here. Class is 6, division A. Here this is GR number, working days and present days, name of the student and marks. This file is a merging data file. Marks copy pasting work is very important work. So do this very carefully. अगर यहाँ कुछ भी मिस्टेक होती है तो अपना पूरा रिपोर्ट कार्ड वर्क रॉन्ग हो सकता है. फॉर दैट वी हैव टू कॉपी मार्क्स वेरी केयरफुली. कॉपिंग मार्क्स फ्रॉम कंसोलिडेटेड टर्म 1, पेस्ट वैल्यूज. नाउ आई डन विथ term 1 English marks. Then this is co-scholastic marks. Open your co-scholastic marks file and copy paste your marks. Then term 2, go to consolidated term 2, copy and paste value. Last column of the report card, average of all subject. So we will get that in average file. Here English, Hindi, Marathi, Sanskrit, Maths, Science, SS, total. These all marks are together in the average performance file. Preparation of this marks file is very important. At the starting of the academic year, you have to prepare this whole format as per your exams. Whenever you are making consolidated term 1 and term 2 files, that time check your report card format. Whatever the columns include in a report card, that all should be in your consolidated file. This average column is not possible to include in consolidated file because we have term wise consolidated file. So that's why make one average file also and there term 1 and term 2 total marks divided by 2. Average file marks is coming from the green sheet. This is green sheet. I have here all subject green sheets. What is the column of green sheet? PA1 marks term 1, PA1 plus term 1. Then PA2, term 2, PA2 plus term 2, total of A and B and average. And green sheet's last column is a average column, that is total marks of 200 divided by 2. So that average we will carry in the average sheet. Green sheets are separate and average sheet is a common for all subject. So this first roll number, English average, Hindi, Sanskrit, Maths, Science, SS, we will get in one line. This will be easy for Mailmerge. So whenever you are preparing this mark sheet, make this all tabs properly. Consolidated both file, term 1 and term 2, green sheets and average sheets. These are the fully linked file. When class teacher is typing data in PA1 and term 1 files, that time consolidated file, green sheets and average sheet will automatically fill because that is already linked. Yeah, here I have completed this file. Some co-scholastic marks only pending. Copying marks from marks file to the merging file is very important work. So take care of that. Now next, go to report card word file. अब तक हमने सिर्फ डेटा तैयार किया है, अभी हमें एक्चुअल मेलमर्ज प्रोसेस करना है. क्लिक ऑन मेलिंग्स टैब, select recipient, use an existing list, and now your file. My file name is merging data. Click on OK. Insert merge field. So we have to merge these all fields here. Name of the student, roll number, working days, present days, marks. PA1 English. So marks obtain 100. See, this is my file after merging all fields. This merging field work do very patiently in a proper column. Now my format is ready. I will use this format file for all the report card generation work. तो जब भी आपको रिजल्ट तैयार करना है उसके पहले आपको ये फॉर्मेट रेडी करके रखना है. Now next is go to mailings, select recipient from here. Merging data XLS is the correct option. और गणपति पप्पा का नाम लेके क्लिक करो प्रीव्यू रिजल्ट पे. So ये आ गया रिजल्ट ऑफ रोल नंबर 1. लास्ट स्टेप इज क्लिक ऑन फिनिश मेल मर्ज, एडिट इंडिविजुअल. Here write total number of students from roll number 1 to last number is 40. Then click on OK. Then your file will generate with the 40 pages. See here. Report card generation works is started. It will take some time. 40 pages generate करना है तो उसके लिए थोड़ा टाइम तो लगेगा. 10 मिनट उसको लगता है टाइम. और ये हमारी पूरी फाइल 40 पेजेस की फाइल तैयार हो गई. This is roll number 1, 2. ऐसे continuously you can see a whole result here. Hope this was useful. If you have any query in report card generation work, then please comment. तो अभी जो हमने ये काम किया एक सॉफ्टवेयर बनाने का काम है. एक पूरा रिपोर्ट कार्ड का सॉफ्टवेयर हमने तैयार किया है और ये सॉफ्टवेयर हम पूरे स्कूल के रिपोर्ट कार्ड जनरेशन में यूज कर सकते हैं. लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. अगर आप सब्सक्राइब करोगे तो मेरे नए वीडियो का आपको नोटिफिकेशन आएगा. थैंक यू सो मच एंड ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर रिपोर्ट कार्ड जनरेशन वर्क.